Very warm welcome to the 2026 Superyacht Design Festival.
All industry is about people, so to see people face to face, in the end, is invaluable.
I think the thing that excites me the most about design is looking to see how designers who have known boats their entire lives are going to try and merge with young people who don't know boats but kind of have an idea of what they want on a boat. So watching that collaboration is going to be quite exciting.
2026 Artistry and Craft Awards.
Our winner, Eva Mettler.
I think these events do really matter to the industry because it's the best opportunity to gather new information, to get data, but the most to network with people out of the industry to get a stream, a feeling, an emotion of where this industry is going to.
These events matter a huge amount because they recognize the hard work that goes into a dream, into reality, making something mechanical beautiful, making something live that is a pleasure to be on board, and something that will last forever.
One more time.
Why do events like this still matter? It brings the community together in a different environment outside of boat shows, where it's so hard to meet new people. Everyone's always in a rush. This place is a nice, relaxed environment to meet new contacts and connections.
And the winner of the snowboarding giant slalom race is Eric Bouvet.